Good morning, my fellow Potterheads. Here is what you're going to be working on for the next few days in your class. You are going to be working on a project to design your own Hogwarts house. You'll be working in your small groups to create your own house. So, the instructions. It says, "Welcome to Hogwarts. You are part of the newest class of students to join the wizarding world and learn the art of witchcraft and wizardry. But we have a problem here at Hogwarts. Ever since Lord Voldemort was destroyed, we've had so many new students attending that we had to expand the castle. We added several new towers and dungeons. Along with new space, we are going to add some new houses as well. Since we will be the very first members of these new groups, we are leaving you to design them. You and your group members will be responsible for creating the house name, crest, colors, mascot, motto, uniform, and words to describe its members. You will also be designing the common room. You will choose where it will be and what it will look like. It's important for you to work for your group to work together since you all are all part of your house and your house is your family. Good luck, Albus Dumbledore, Headmaster." So, there will be parts of this project that will be online in this Google slide, and there will be parts that will be pencil paper for your drawings and your designs. Those you'll want to split up between you and your group members so that you're not all working on the same designs. So, your first thing you need to do is you must name your house. So you need to come up with your name, and if you click on the scroll here, you will get a text box that you can type your name into. So you're going to type your house name into this text box. If you guys all want to work together on this same slideshow, one of you take your slideshow and share it with your group members. So all you have to do is click the share button and add and send it to your group members using their school email address. Then you will find that in your Google Drive. So you open up your Google Drive, and it will be under the Shared with Me tab. And it'll be from the person who shared it with you. So the first thing you need to do together is design your house name. Once you have your name, you can choose your house colors. So you're going to have one main color or one background color and two main colors. So like Hufflepuff is yellow and black, Gryffindor is crimson and gold, or maroon and gold. Depends on how you look at it. Slytherin is green and silver, and Ravenclaw, what is Ravenclaw? Blue and something. My brain is dead, sorry. So you're going to choose your main colors. So how you're going to choose your colors is you are going to select these boxes. Then you're going to use the tool, the bucket tool, to change the colors. So you can choose any of these colors here, or you can also go to the custom and you can find your own color within the custom and within working through the different hues. So you're going to choose two main colors for your house and a background color. So make sure it's not any combinations though that are already a Hogwarts house. So you can see the combinations here. We have the main colors are red, yellow, green, and blue so far. So then you can choose your own. Then you need a motto for your house. So a motto are words that describe the beliefs, the feelings, or goals of your group. You need to decide who you are as a group and what your goals are. Choose one goal your house wants to meet and write below the motto. So I would suggest looking up different mottos online to kind of give you an idea of what they say and how they are written. And then you can work together to decide what your motto should be. Once again, there's a text box here, and if you click on it and start typing, it will come up with your motto. The next step is your house words. So your house words are adjectives that best describes the members of your house. These words show your character. Gryffindor uses words like brave, loyal, and courageous. Come up with 3 words to describe you. So you're going to have one word here, and one word here to have your 3 banners with your house words. The next step is to find your head of your house. So this is one of the first things that you will have on a separate paper. So you will be coming up with a head of house. So your head of house, every Hogwarts house must have a professor to lead them and guide them. You will need a head of house teacher for your house. You will need a new professor to fill that spot, and you're going to choose them. In the box below, draw a picture of your new professor, then fill out their resume on the next page. So you'll have a piece of paper that you can draw your new professor on that you will get in class. And then on this next page, you can fill out your teacher's resume. So you can type in their name, their previous teaching experience, their subject that they taught, their favorite spell, their best skill, Hogwarts relatives, and other information. So you're going to be creative and come up with this information in creating a new teacher. So work together as a group to come up with this brand new Hogwarts teacher. Your next step is your house animal. So Gryffindor is the lion, Slytherin is the snake, Ravenclaw is the raven, and Hufflepuff is the badger. So you're going to choose your own house animal. Your house animals should represent your motto and your words. Think of animals that act or behave the way you want to behave. They are your symbol. Draw the animal below. So this is your second drawing that you're going to do. You'll get a sheet of paper to do your drawing on to go with your symbol. Below in the text box, I just want you to write what type of animal is your house animal. The next part is house object. Gryffindor has a sword, Ravenclaw has a diadem. What object is part of your house history? So you're going to think of a house or an object that would represent your house. So think about the words that you chose in your motto and think of an object that would fit in with your house. This will be another drawing too, which you'll get a piece of paper for in class to draw your object on. The next one is a magic spell. So the magic spell is a spell that you're going to create. Each house, both old and new, pick a spell that best works for their house. Since you are new, you can either find or make a spell for your house. So you're going to name your spell, you're going to write down how to say it, what type of spell it is, what it's used for, the counter spell, and how hard it is to perform. So think of some of the spells that you've read already in the book and think of what you would want your house to be really good at to create a spell. The other parts of your project are going to be the drawing ones. So you have to draw a common room. So you'll get this page in class for your common room. Spend a lot of time. The common room is where you spend a lot of time when you are not in class learning. you get to pick your common room. You will be able to sketch out the design below. So that's another one of your drawings, is designing a common room. The next one is a Quidditch broom. Since we have run out of school brooms, we are going to let students work with Madam Hooch to design brooms for each house. She wants to see your sketch of your broom and its name. So that's another drawing. So your drawings include the Quidditch broom, the common room, the house animal, the house object, the head of house, and your crest. We didn't talk about this one yet. So you're going to create a crest for your house that symbolizes your house. So I would suggest looking up the crests of the other houses and see what they entail. A lot of them usually include your house colors, your house animal, maybe even your house object. So that's one of the last things that you're going to design for your house, is your crest. So I wish you all the best of luck in working on creating your Hogwarts house for class. This is your rubric, which will be added in the next couple days to the assignment. You have about 1 week to work on this assignment together, so make sure you're being effective, splitting up the tasks fairly, and working together as a class to make sure that you design the most awesome Hogwarts house